Here's the car tuning station. This is the LED airvent for Mercedes-Benz V cars, V250 and V260, which original car with the ambient light already. 3 cars or 64 cars, there are 2 models. Actually, it's very easy to install this one. You see that this is LED bomb connect to here, and there are only 3 cables. The orange one is to the CAN bus pin 1, yeah, the pin 1, and the white color one is to the pin 13. The CAN bus is under the steering wheel, under the steering wheel. And this one brown is for GND, as my picture show. Same connection like a C class 3 car. Take a look at.